Good morning, this is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair, dajahaw, привет, jianu, धन्यवाद, namaskar, sat sri akal. My students, today we are going to view the important phrasal verbs that are used in speaking and they are also taught in academic studies. Guys, girls, my students, मरहबा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ब्स का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं और इन जुमलों को भरपूर तरीके से बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। These phrasal verbs are of great importance. Let's start our lesson on whiteboard behind. Here are my students. The first phrasal verb is cut out. Cut out. Cut out means stop. To stop something. Cut out means stop. Cut out means stop. Hey, my car has cut out. Hey, my car has cut out. Hey, my car has cut out. अरे मेरी कार रुक गई है. Hey, my car has cut out. Hey, my car has cut out. अरे मेरी कार रुक गई है. Cut out means to stop. To stop, a sudden stop, a sudden stopping. Hey, my car has cut out. Hey, अरे मेरी कार रुक गई है. Hey, my car has cut out. अरे मेरी कार रुक गई है. Due to shortage of petrol or some other mechanical problem. Hey, my car has cut out. Hey, my car has cut out. अरे मेरी कार रुक गई है. Let's see the next phrasal verb. Next one is cutting. 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 Cutting means also stop. Cutting means stop. When cut sono in talking. When cut sono in talking. When cut sono in talking. Here see my students. Cut out means to stop or some machine or some device, and cutting means stop somebody, some person from talking, from doing things. So cutting relates to persons, males, females, and cut out relates to devices and vehicles. So cutting, here you see, cutting is also an important phrasal verb. Cutting means to stop. But when cut sono in talking. When cut sono in talking. When cut sono in talking. बैन ने सोनू को बात करने से रोक दिया. बैन ने सोनू को बात करने से रोक दिया. बैन कट सोनू इन टॉकिंग. बैन कट सोनू इन टॉकिंग. बैन ने सोनू को बात करने से रोक दिया. बैन ने सोनू को बात करने से रोक दिया. बैन कट सोनू इन टॉकिंग. बैन कट सोनू इन टॉकिंग. बैन ने सोनू को बात करने से रोक दिया. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट फ्रेजल वर्ब. नेक्स्ट वन इज कट डाउन. Cut down. Cut down means to reduce the quantity of something. Cut down means to reduce the quantity of something. So the sentence is Tom cut down on drinking. Tom cut down on drinking. Tom cut down on drinking. Tom ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. Tom cut down on drinking. Tom cut down on drinking. टॉम ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. टॉम ने अल्कोहल पीने में कमी की. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम ने अल्कोहल पीने में कमी की. टॉम ने शराब पीने में कमी की. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. टू रिड्यूस द एक्सपेंसेस. सो टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम कट डाउन ऑन ड्रिंकिंग. टॉम ने शराब नोशी में कमी की. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट फ्रेज एंड फ्रेजल वर्ब. कट बैक. कट बैक. कट बैक मीन also reduce. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. You see my students? Cut down means to reduce the quantity of some usable, some edibles or drinkable things. Cut down means to reduce the quantity of edibles, and cut back means to reduce the expenditures. To reduce the expenditure. Cut back links to money and expenditures, whereas cut down means to reduce on consumption of things, to reduce the consumption of different things, drinking, drinking, drinkings or eatings. So cut down means the reduction in consumption of edibles, and cut back means the reduction in spending money. The reduction in spending money. Cut back means the reduction in spending money. So sentence is, she cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. उसने अपने अखराजात में कमी की. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. उसने अपने अखराजात में कमी की. वो अपने अखराजात में कमी लाई. She cut back on spending. उसने अपने अखराजात में कमी की. She cut back on spending. उसने अपने अखराजात में कमी की. And cut down means to reduce edibles, to reduce the use of edibles. Cut down means to reduce the consumption of edibles. So Tom cut down on drinking. Tom cut down on drinking. Sally cut down on eating. Sally cut down on outdoor eating. Sally cut down on outdoor eating. Sally cut down on outdoor eating. Sally ने बाहर खाने में कमी की. Sally cut down on outdoor eating. Sally cut down on outdoor eating. Sally ने बाहर खाने में कमी लाई. So next is cut back. Cut back is to reduce the spendings. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. She cut back on spending. वो अपने अखराजात में कमी लाई. उसने अपने अखराजात में कमी की. And next phrasal verb and sentence is cut off. Cut off is the next phrasal verb. Cut off means also stop the supply of something, stop the supply of things, stop the supply of things. And Tom cut off food supply. Tom cut off food supply. Tom cut off food supply. Tom ने खुराक की तस्वीर को रोक दिया. Tom ने खुराक की तस्वीर को रोक दिया. Tom cut off the food supply. Tom cut off the food supply. Tom ने खुराक की तस्वीर को रोक दिया. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa ने पानी की फराहमी को रोक दिया. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa ने पानी की फराहमी को रोक दिया. तो cut off means to hold on, to stop the supply of things, to hold on or to stop the supply of things. Cut off means to hold on or to stop the supply of things. So Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa cut off the water supply. Vasa ने पानी की फराहमी को रोक दिया. And we have a sentence here. Tony cut off food supply. Tony cut off food supply. Tony cut off food supply. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी को रोक दिया. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी मुनक़ता कर दी. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी को रोक दिया. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी मुनक़ता कर दी. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी को रोक दिया. Tony cut off the food supply. Tony cut off the food supply. Tony cut off the food supply. Tony ने खुराक की फराहमी को रोक दिया. Tony ने खुराक की तस्वीर मुनक़ता कर दी. Let's see the next phrasal verb and the sentence. Next one is cut above. Cut above. Cut above. Cut above. Cut above means to be slightly better. To be better. To be slightly better. Cut above means to be slightly better. This pen is cut above that pen. This pen is cut above that pen. This pen is cut above that pen. ये कलम उस कलम से थोड़ा बेहतर है. Cut above is a beautiful phrasal verb. It means slightly better. Something is slightly better than the other one. So cut above means slightly better. This pen is cut above that pen. This pen is cut above that pen. ये पेन, ये कलम उस कलम से थोड़ा बेहतर है, slightly better. This pen is cut above that pen. This pen is cut above that pen. ये कलम उस पेन कलम से थोड़ा बेहतर है. This hat is cut above that hat. This hat is cut above that hat. ये hat उस hat से थोड़ा बेहतर है. This shirt is cut above that shirt. This dress is cut above that dress. This dress is cut above that dress. ये लिबास उस लिबास से थोड़ा बेहतर है. So cut above is also a beautiful phrasal verb and a beautiful sentence here. Hey you are my students, make a good practice with these important phrasal verbs and the sentences we have practiced here. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.